we learn English through, fun conversations like the one we're having right now. Hi.
Hi,
Hello, good morning.
good morning.
How are you?
I am awesome. What about you?
I'm good as well, thank you. All right, Pooja, so can I know a little bit about you before we begin?
Yeah, sure. Hi, I'm Puja Kumari. I am by profession is doing a part-time job in the crypto trader organization. Apart from that, I like to sing, dance, and also watch like inspirational movies.
Oh, that's
That,
great. So you have a lot of hobbies.
yeah,
That's great. All right. And where are you from?
I'm from basically from Kolkata.
Kolkata. All right. So I'll tell you about myself. I'm Hridhima. I recently finished my graduation from Delhi University and I'm from Indore.
Okay, that's nice.
All right. So can I know why you want to work on your English?
Sorry, repeat.
Why do you want to work on your English?
Because I want to be a in future a public speaker. So that's why I want to build my communication skills and public speaking and English also because my English is not good.
Oh, that's really nice. You want to be a public speaker.
Yeah,
What would you speak about?
speak about like women empowerment.
Oh, that's amazing. So that's your main agenda, women empowerment.
Yeah, right.
Okay, that's great. All right. So I'll tell you about Clapingo and what we do here, so that you
Okay.
know
Yeah.
how exactly we'll be working on your English. And after that, if you have any questions, then you can let
Mm,
me know.
yeah, sure.
Okay. So basically, here you can take 15-minute sessions or 25-minute sessions. Any number of days in the week that you want. It can either be 7 days a week or 5 days a week, even one day a week. If you don't have enough time to spare. All
Yeah.
right. So we'll be working on your speech and we'll be talking about different topics. For example, maybe when you come the first day, the topic will be food. After that, it will be, what would you do if you were on an island? That is also a topic. Or we might talk about your hobbies, or we might talk about women empowerment, right? So we talk about different topics, and we also work on the vocabulary related to those topics. So before every session, you'll get a material
Okay.
as to what the topic is for that session and what exactly we'll be discussing, the vocabulary words, so that when you already know those vocabulary words, you can use them in the session. And that's how you build your vocabulary.
Okay. Okay.
Right? Okay.
Sure.
And so by during the session, we will be working on your grammar, your sentence structuring, your vocabulary, your pronunciation, your confidence, everything we'll
Mm.
be working on. And you can book your sessions with any tutor that you want. If it's with me, then it's with me. If it's with other people, you can even choose different tutors for each session, so that if you want to talk to different people, then you can do that. So it's a lot
Okay.
of fun. We have a lot of fun in the sessions and we learn English through, fun conversations like the one we're having right now.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so, it's only a matter of practice and that's how you build
Yes, right.
on it.
Yeah, right.
All right. Any questions that you might have?
No, right. No, no question. Actually, you already cleared all things.
Yeah, that's what I intended to do. Anything that you would want to ask me about anything?
Uh, Today, what topic we will choose?
Since it's your demo session, this is only where I clear up your doubts about Clapingo. So
Okay.
yeah, today we're not. Um, or we, there's no session material, but we can just have a fun conversation about anything. Tell me, what do you want to talk
Okay.
about?
So let's talk about introduction part. Means
Introduction only?
how? Yeah.
Like what?
Introduction means ourselves. Means
Okay, you
how
want us to talk about.
introduction myself. Yeah.
All right, all right.
Please.
Yeah, so I finished my graduation recently. It was in economics, and even I love to sing and dance. Did you
Okay,
did
that's
you sing and dance a lot in your college?
no, I didn't because I am very a shy person. Okay, I sing a song like in bathroom singer, but I love to sing. I love to sing and I love to dance, but I'm some kind of fear to in front of public.
Okay, you
That's
have a fear of doing that in public. Yeah,
yeah,
it's the same with me. Even I sing in the shower. Just that's it.
yeah.
Not outside.
That's that's happened to me also.
Yeah, because it's
And
scary. You know that people
yeah,
will judge you or whatever, right?
yeah,
But
right. But when I sing means when I used to sing a song, like I get in that zone. Means it feels like very means what do I say? Means touchy. Uh,
okay, it feels very good, like very peaceful,
uh, yeah, it's
very nice,
feel
right?
like a peaceful. Yeah,
Yeah. You go into that zone. It's fun, right?
yeah, right.
Yeah. So that shows me that you're passionate about it also.
Yes. And
Right.
what's your hobbies? What's your hobbies like? Um,
Yeah, same. I love to sing. I love to write. I've written
okay,
2 books. So
okay, that's nice.
yeah, those are fiction books about college students. It's basically a mafia suspense thriller story. So
Okay,
yeah, so I love to write. Yeah, and I love to dance
yeah,
as well. I did
o-
dance in my college, but not a lot. Just on seniors farewell and
okay, okay.
occasion. Yeah.
That's when you okay. Actually, I also write some things like shairi and inspirational notes. Actually, inspirational quotes.
Oh,
Okay,
that's amazing. Okay.
I also wrote that, and means when I feel like coming inside on me, when I feel, then I wrote it. So
Okay. Yeah.
yeah,
So it comes straight from the heart.
yeah, it comes from when I used to means when I am feeling means in a silent phase, and I'm thinking on myself and thinking about another person also when they are happy or something like that. So that's why in my one day I am telling you the one incident happened to me, how it comes writing, how it comes into writing. Actually, one of my friend, he was a birthday on that day. Okay,
Okay.
on that day, I made a surprise for him. He is my teacher actually, memory teacher, memory teacher. Actually, I also learning memory. I am also learning a memory techniques also to enhance my memory powers. So that day, I was surprised him, and after that he was called me and told me that Puja, you made my day. So that day I was very happy to see him a happy face. And that day I wrote something in the WhatsApp status. I wrote means it's flowing, it's like flowing inside on me, and I'm writing all the things. And after completing that thoughts, and that main thought is Khushi. The name is Khushi. What about we told that when you happy, then what you write on down? Then I wrote it and I post it in WhatsApp status, and all are means appreciating. And I thought, okay, oh my God, I wrote it. Means I don't believe that on my skills also.
Oh, that's amazing. So everyone put it up on the WhatsApp status.
Yeah,
That's nice.
actually, and
Yeah.
also I got a chance to speak in the stage around 40 people. This quote. Actually, I got a chance and I spoke. I didn't.
Wow.
Yeah, that's really amazing.
Where did you do it?
It's like our Miss Rahul sir, teacher. their session is there was a seminar. In the seminar there was around 40 to 50 people, and that time sir he told that you have to tell about yourself and share your experience. And that day I was happy. And then I literally I had chance to speak something. So I spoke that inspirational quotes I already written, like khushi, what do you mean by khushi? So that's and everyone like uh, giving the standing ovation. And
Standing
then
ovation.
and first
Oh,
experience, I really was happy for that.
that's amazing. So you want to keep doing that. That's why you want to become a public
Yeah,
speaker because the
yeah,
thing is amazing.
that's why I want to learn and enhance my skills. To when I go, when I will go to the stage around like means first time I had experience around 40 to 50 people. Okay, but I want to be around give the speech around 1 lakh people. And my motive is to develop the women empowerment, because woman is means she wants to do anything in her life, but something is pulling her leg, like
Right.
she wants to, but there is this society pressure or family pressure, something like that happen, but we have to do that. So in my mind, I have a mission to deal the women empowerment and give the financially independent. So I'm learning all these facts and thinking about that what to do for the women.
Oh, that's amazing, Pooja. It's amazing that you're so passionate about this agenda that you have. That's amazing.
Yeah.
And I hope you're successful in it as well because women need as much as empowerment as they can get.
Yes,
So,
yes.
yeah, that's great. Okay. So, where do you write these quotes? Is it on Facebook, Instagram? Where do you do it?
Instagram. Right now it's in Instagram.
It's on Instagram.
Yeah, it's on Instagram. Actually, first time I wrote it in WhatsApp stories, WhatsApp status actually.
What's the
Okay,
shape?
means actually in when my mind came, and suddenly in my phone, means I have a phone that I have WhatsApp open. Okay, and that day means I thought, okay, write it. And when I write it, means it's going into flow, and then I post it, and then I thought it's like inspirational. Then I post it into the Instagram to save and see the means when I feel down or
Down.
something like, yeah.
Right,
So
right.
that gives me a motivate to that, yeah, Puja, you can do it.
Yeah,
You have not to think like that you can't do it. That's it.
gives you hope, right? So it's
Yeah,
always there. It's permanent now on Instagram.
yeah,
Whenever you open it, you
yeah,
can see. Yeah, that's a great
yeah.
idea. That's amazing. So are you gaining followers on that?
Yes, actually, right now I'm not posting there the video also on Instagram.
Right.
Some things happen, but I'm thinking that I will post. And I made a YouTube video. First two YouTube channel is first is food blogging, food and travel blogging. I love to do that, and
Amazing.
around 500 subscriber in there. Food
Oh
blogger channel.
wow.
Yeah, food, and one video is gone to viral. And
Wow.
the second video is I am thinking I'm learning here English communication. It means enhancing my English. Then I also post it there.
Oh, that's
Uh,
amazing. Okay. All right. All right, then, Pooja, we'll wrap it up here for today because our session
okay.
is about to end. So it was really, really amazing talking to you. And I see that you're already very confident and motivated about this new
Mm.
thing that you're beginning with. We only need to work a little bit on your grammar. So that's no problem that we'll do in the sessions. We'll talk about it. And with enough practice, you'll just be ready for whatever you want to do. So, yeah, I hope to see you in another session now.
Yeah, sure. Nice to meet you actually.
Very, very nice to talk to you. Anything else before we leave?
No, not. I want to say you thank you, and I
Of
am
course.
grateful that I meet you because you are also a girl.
Yeah,
So
of
we
course.
are on the mission women empowerment.
Yes, yes. Together we will do this.
Yeah,
All right.
definitely.
Very lovely to meet you, Pooja. Hope to see you again. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
bye. Thank you.
Bye bye.